Hello dear friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is solution of challenging math question class. It is question 141. In this class, we have a plus b plus c is equal to 1, ab plus bc plus ac is equal to 2. Then find a into b into c is equal to 3. Then we have to find a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c to the power 4 is equal to question mark. Solution. First, we write both sides. A plus b plus c whole to the power 2 is equal to 1 to the power 2. We have, according to the formula, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into a into b plus 2 into b into c plus 2a into c. It is equal to 1 square is equal to 1. Now here a square plus b square plus c square plus we take 2 as a factor, we get a plus ab plus bc plus ac. It is equal to 1. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into, instead of a into b plus b into c plus a into c, we have 2, we can write 2, it is equal to 1. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 multiplied by 2, 4 is equal to 1. A square plus b square plus c square is equal to minus 3. Minus 3. Now, we square this equation, we get AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 2 whole square, it is also whole square. Then, it is equal to AB whole square, AB whole square. This implies BC whole plus BC whole square plus AC whole square. It is 2 into AB into BC. AB into BC plus 2 into BC into AC. BC into AC plus 2 into AB into AC is equal to 2 square is equal to 4. AB whole square, this implies AB whole square plus BC whole square plus AC whole square plus 2 into, we take here we have ABC, also here we have ABC, here also we have ABC. We take A into B into C, then here we get B plus here we get C plus here we get A is equal to 4. This implies AB whole square plus BC whole square plus AC whole square plus 2 into, instead of A into B into C, we can write 3 into, instead of A plus B plus C is equal to 1, we can write 1 is equal to 4. This implies AB whole square plus BC whole square plus AC whole square, 2 multiplied by 3, 6 when transferred in the right side, we can write minus 2. It is the value of A square plus AB whole square plus BC whole square plus AC whole square. Again, we write both sides by 3, this equation, we get a square plus b square plus c square whole square is equal to minus 3 whole square. Whole square. Now, according to the formula, we can write a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c to the power 4 plus 2 into a square into b square, ab whole square plus 2 into b into c, b square into c square, bc whole square, bc whole square plus 2 into a into c whole square plus it is equal to minus 3 whole square is equal to 9. A to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c to the power 4 plus 2 into a b whole square plus b into c whole square plus a into c whole square. It is equal to 9. A to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c to the power 4 is plus 2 multiply, instead of a square plus b square plus c square, ab whole square plus bc whole square plus ac whole square, we can write minus 2. It is equal to 9. A to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c to the power 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by minus 2 minus 4 transfer in right side, we get plus 4, 9 plus 4, it is equal to 13. Therefore, the answer is a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c to the power 4 is equal to 13. It is the solution of this question. Dear students, please thumbs up and subscribe our channel and share with your friend. Thank you from your watching.